Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Home Fitness Challenge YouTube. My channel, ignite your strength, sculpt your body and unleash unstoppable energy with a fast, focused program designed for real results. No gym, no guesswork, just pure transformation. Push past limits, torch stubborn fat, tighten every muscle, and feel your confidence surge as you crush each day with intensity and purpose. Your fitter, stronger, unstoppable self starts right here, ready to rise? In the first phase of this journey, we focus on something simple but incredibly powerful, resetting the body through consistent, purposeful movement. These opening days aren't about pushing to the limit. They're about reconnecting with your breath, loosening tight joints, and reminding your muscles what they're capable of. Think of it as switching the body from idle to awake. Light, rhythmic movements increase oxygen flow, warm the tissues, and prime your metabolism so it starts responding faster to every bit of effort you give. This is where you build trust with your own routine, showing up, even when the work feels gentle. This foundation makes the intense work ahead feel smoother, safer, and far more effective. Let every movement be intentional, and let every rep carry the message, you're ready for more. Now take a breath, feel your body activating from the inside out, and step into the momentum you're creating. The transformation begins the moment you move with purpose, so make this moment count. When we step into the fat-burning phase, the goal isn't just to move faster, it's to move smarter. Short bursts of focused intensity wake up your metabolic system in a way steady exercise can't. Your heart rate rises, your muscles fire more efficiently, and your body starts tapping into stored energy. But intensity doesn't mean punishment. If you need low-impact alternatives, take them. They still push your body into that elevated zone where real change happens, without overwhelming your joints. What matters most is your engagement, your ability to stay present, breathe through the effort, and give each burst your honest best. These sessions teach your body to burn more calories even after the workout ends, which is why this phase feels like a turning point. You start noticing the heat building from within, the momentum forming, the shift in your stamina and confidence. Embrace the challenge without rushing it. Let the effort shape you. Push with purpose, breathe with control, and let every burst remind you that you're capable of far more than you think. As we move into strengthening the core, the focus shifts from speed and intensity to precision and awareness. Your core isn't just your abs, it's the entire network of muscles that stabilizes your spine, supports your posture, and powers every movement you make. When these muscles activate correctly, everything else becomes smoother. Your balance improves, your form strengthens, and even your breathing becomes more controlled. This phase is about slowing down enough to actually feel those deeper muscles switch on. It's not about crunching endlessly, it's about controlling the motion, keeping tension where it belongs, and learning how to brace from the inside out. The beauty of this work is that you'll notice the benefits instantly. Better alignment, more stability during workouts, and a sense of strength that comes from true internal support. Don't rush it. Let your body discover how to move with intention instead of habit. Stay present, stay engaged, and let every controlled rep remind you that real strength begins at the center. When we shift into building lean strength, the energy of the program changes. Now it's about teaching your muscles to work with control, endurance, and intention. Strength training isn't just about looking toned, it's about creating a body that moves better, burns more calories at rest, and handles daily life with ease. Using just your body weight, you'll challenge the major muscle groups while also activating the smaller stabilizers that shape clean, balanced movement. Every squat, every press, every hold becomes a signal to your body to rebuild stronger than before. And the best part? You don't need heavy equipment to feel the difference. As your muscles adapt, you'll feel a steady rise in power, stability, and confidence. This phase isn't loud or dramatic, it's quiet, focused, and incredibly effective. Lean strength grows from consistency, not force. So stay mindful, keep your form sharp, and let your effort speak for itself. Build with intention, move with purpose, and let every rep carry you closer to the stronger version of yourself. Recovery is where everything you've worked for really settles in. After pushing your body through intensity, strength work, and focused activation, it needs space to repair, realign, and rebuild. This phase isn't about slowing down your progress, it's about protecting it. Mobility work restores range of motion, eases tightness, and keeps your joints moving freely so you can perform better in every upcoming session. Gentle stretching, breath work, and mindful movement reduce inflammation and help your nervous system shift out of stress mode. Think of this time as your reset button. When you recover well, your energy levels rise, your muscles rebuild stronger, and your mind becomes clearer and more grounded. This is where you learn to listen to your body instead of pushing past what it's asking for. Recovery isn't a break from progress. It's the fuel for your next breakthrough. Breathe deeply, move slowly, and let your body rebuild the strength you've earned. In the final phase, everything comes together through the way you fuel your body. All the movement, all the effort, all the rebuilding. It depends on what you put in. Nutrition doesn't need to be complicated, it just needs to be consistent. Think clean, balanced meals with enough protein to support muscle repair, whole foods that give you steady energy, and hydration that keeps your body functioning at its best. When you eat with intention, your metabolism becomes more responsive, your workouts feel smoother, and your recovery improves naturally. Small choices add up quickly, swapping processed snacks for whole options. Drinking water before reaching for caffeine. Timing meals so your energy stays steady throughout the day. This isn't about restriction. It's about alignment. You're teaching your body to operate from a place of nourishment instead of depletion. And once your habits shift, your results follow. Fuel with purpose, stay consistent, and let every choice support the transformation you've worked so hard to build.